To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 2 cords to my dowel rod with lark's head knots. Now our first step is to tie 1 square knot. Now slide a bead onto the 2 cords on the left side. Now working with the 2 cords here on the right, we're going to take the very far right cord and tie vertical lark's head knots around the next cord. And when we do this, we're going to leave little gaps between the top. So when you pull it tight, just leave a gap from the top. Just like that. And now we're going to repeat this 2 more times. So we're going to try to leave about the same amount of space when we tie our next one. I'm going to go ahead and show you the next step before I move out of frame with my third one. But we're going to take that bottom lark's head knot and we're just going to push it all the way up top. So you'll see these cute little petals on the side. So you can do 1 at a time if you want, or you can do all 3 at once. Just try to make sure you leave the same amount of space each time. Or you can always change the amount of space if you want different sized petals as well. It's your design, so it's your choice. Once you have all 3 loops done, we're going to tie another square knot at the bottom. Just like that. And now we're going to slide our next bead onto the 2 cords here on the right side. Then we're going to repeat the exact same process just on the left side, tying those vertical lark's head knots, leaving little gaps in between. Then tie your square knot. Keep repeating this pattern over and over again, alternating sides for as many times as you would like. This pattern would be great for a fun little plant hanger. You can also use this as sections in macrame wall hangings. If you use thinner cords, this would make a beautiful friendship bracelet. And you can also use this in many other ways as long as you let your creativity fly. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.